Welcome back to Building Charles James. Today we're going to break up some monotony in the shop and design something cool for the new sliding clamp wall. I've seen RC Wood Fab and Jason at Bourbon Moth and a few other guys build some great shop signs. So let's get some Gcode, the Carbide Shapeoko, and let's have some fun with this tributary project. The material that I'm using here is 3/4 red oak veneer, and I programmed an advanced V-carve toolpath, starting off with a 1/4 inch end mill for the pocket cut and a 60-degree V-bit for the contour and the dimension cut. This Carbide 3D machine is truly amazing, and it has allowed me to think beyond my imaginary line of possibility. With my incessant gear-turning brain, design never rests. This is just another tool to allow those designs to come to be. If you like what you saw, stick around for my next post. Share it with your mother. Send it to your friends. Until then, I will see you next time.